If your client or architect has specified a car turntable, you're probably wondering, where do I even start? For you, a car turntable isn't just an add-on. It's part of the structure, your slab, your timeline, your liability. So how do you make sure you're quoting the right turntable, one that's engineered, supported, and built to last? Key 1. Quality and engineering. Start with build quality. Not all steel, bearings, or motors are the same. Look for certified Australian engineering that's load tested to last for decades. At Australian Turntables, we use 316 stainless steel. Key 2. Match the right model to the vehicle size. Every site is different. Match the model to vehicle type, slope, and pit size. A small mismatch can mean drainage or clearance problems later. Check the turntable's rated capacity. For residential projects, make sure it's engineered for at least 4,000 kilograms, enough for large SUVs. Our CTX series fits every need, from compact builds to luxury multi-car homes, all engineered to handle modern SUVs and 4x4s. Key 3. Understand the structure. A turntable sits in a pit, which means your slab, drainage, and power conduits all depend on precise engineering. Choose a provider who supplies certified pre-engineering drawings, not just a spec sheet. At Australian Turntables, we provide the full civil blueprint before you quote, so your concreter and electrician know exactly what to plan for. Key 4. Validate installation and support. A quality supplier supports your build from design through installation. We coordinate directly with your concreter and electrician. Key 5. Choose quality that protects you. Post-installation support matters. With local service teams across Australia and long-term warranty coverage, we help you protect your build and your reputation. Maintenance is simple, with clear access to centre bearing, motor pit and wheel tracks, so inspections are quick and clean. Key 6. Prioritise built-in safety. Smart controls and safety systems protect both users and property. Our inverter control system ensures a smooth start and stop, reducing impact on both vehicle and structure. Each turntable can be remote controlled and programmed for fixed stop positions. Wall sensors automatically stop rotation when the car is too close, protecting both the vehicle and the family. At Australian Turntables, we help you get it right from the first quote to final installation. Our process covers every step: consult, quote, design, install, and service, ensuring the system fits your project and your schedule. Before you quote, look beyond price. Compare engineering, service, and accountability. If you're quoting a turntable for your next project, talk to the team that's been turning things around for over 35 years.